Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I will show you how do you fix the application did not respond in Midjourney. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. So first, go to Midjourney server and go to status. So here you can see if Midjourney is down or they are undergoing maintenance, or is there something that's causing the downtime in Midjourney. Another way that you can do this is you can go to Midjourney's Twitter and check out if there are some announcement or updates about the downtime or if they are undergoing maintenance. You can also go to Midjourney's Reddit page, and also in here you can get updates about downtime and maintenance in Midjourney. Also, you can go to google.com and just type Midjourney status, and here you can click on the first link, and this one is going to show you the status of Midjourney, if it is up or it is down. So here you can see the information or the status of Midjourney. So that's pretty it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.